Hi Slovak learners! Ahojte! How good are your senses? Today, we will activate all of them because in today's lesson, we'll learn how to talk about the senses in the Slovak language. We'll also learn some important verbs with examples to talk about them. Let's start! Začíname! In Slovak, the 5 senses, 5 zmyslov, are sight, zrak, hearing, sluch, smell, čuch, taste, chuť, touch, hmat. Now, let's go through each sense in more detail with vocabulary and verbs. Starting with sight, zrak. Some related vocabulary is eye, oko, glasses, okuliare, light, svetlo, darkness, tma, to see, vidieť, to look at, pozerať sa, to observe, pozorovať. Examples are vidím ťa, I see you. Pozerám na oblohu, I'm looking at the sky. Hearing, sluch. For this, we have ear, ucho, sound, zvuk, noise, hluk, music, hudba. To hear, počuť, to listen, počúvať. Examples include počujem hudbu, I hear music. Tento hluk je hlasný. This noise is loud. Smell, čuch. The vocabulary includes nose, nos, smell, vôňa, bad smell, zápach. If something smells good, we use the verb voňať. And if something smells bad, we use the verb smrdieť. Some phrases are cítim vôňu kvetov. I smell the fragrance of flowers. Tento parfum krásne vonia. This perfume smells great. The next sense is taste, chuť. Some words related to the sense are tongue, jazyk, sweet, sladký, sour, kyslý, salty, slaný, bitter, horký, spicy, pikantný, to taste, ochutnať. Some examples using these words are toto jedlo je sladké. This food is sweet. Táto káva je príliš horká. This coffee is too bitter. Touch, hmat, is another sense. For this one, we have the following vocabulary. Hand, ruka, skin, pokožka. Soft, jemný alebo jemné. Rough, drsný alebo drsné. Hot, horúci alebo horúce. Cold, studený alebo studené. To touch, dotknúť sa. Some example sentences include tento koberec je jemný. This carpet is soft. Pozor, to je horúce. Careful, that's hot. Now let's practice. Try to answer the following questions. What sense do you use to smell flowers? You smell, čuch. And what sense do you use to taste wine? you use taste, chuť. What sense do you use to listen to music? Hearing or sluch? Very well done! Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about this topic. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe! Bye! Ciao!